And we set up the ad and install the pixel on your website, right?
Oh yeah.
So did you get a chance to do the copy for the ad and get some images, or?
I got some images.
Okay.
We took a few pictures last night. I was able to hold them down. I'm like,
Okay.
come on, you gotta do this. And we were trying to do it ourselves. You would have been laughing at us. You are crazy. So I happened to call my neighbor. She's like in her 20s.
Mm-hmm.
And she happened to be doing nothing. I was like, can you come over and take pictures of us?
Yeah.
So Willie thought it was ridiculous to call her. I'm like, well, who else are we going to get? Because my sister used to live upstairs. She doesn't live here anymore.
Mm-hmm.
So I said, so when she came, my husband was like, it wasn't my idea. It was her idea.
Yeah.
But she was more than happy to do that for us. So she
Okay.
So I'll show you. She took quite a few, and I picked like about 4 of them that I thought was pretty cool.
Okay. Awesome.
Definitely will be using those.
Cool. So let's you want to share your screen and we can set up this this one of the lead generation ad for you?
Absolutely. Let's get it crack-a-lacking.
Awesome.
I wrote a little bit of copy. I
Okay.
did, just to see. I looked at yours, kind of got an idea of your flow.
Mm-hmm.
So.
And it actually wasn't my flow either. It was an MLSP system campaign. So we can mess around with that.
Oh, okay. All right. Oh, okay. I didn't even think to go in there, but I don't think they wrote one for
I don't think there's one for Twitter, no.
Yeah, they didn't write one for Twitter, but I thought it was really cool, the way you did that.
Yeah.
It was, more, it didn't look like an ad, and that's the main thing. You don't want to look like an ad. So.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I may need some help in that area, but that's what you're here for. Yay.
All right, let's do it.
All right, so all right, I'm gonna share my screen and then I'll go into Facebook.
Okay.
All right, so that means I was doing this all wrong before, doing like all extra stuff. Okay. No, what's that? Nope, that's not it. I have stuff up. Okay, here we go. So now I need to move this. No, what is that? Okay, I don't know what I'm doing right now. All right, at least I'm in the right account. I was gonna do a what do you call it? A business ad? No, a business account. But I don't really need it for this one because I have an account. I was thinking about doing it for my old one, but then again, I didn't. So I don't know.
Yeah, you don't really need it, I don't think.
Okay. All right, so I need to go somewhere where the pixels are.
We're going to the ads manager.
Yeah, I'm in there. Don't I click on pixels? Right?
No, we're doing the ad first. The ads manager.
Oh.
The pixel for later.
Okay, so.
Click on the where it says Facebook ads.
Oh, okay.
The left hand, ads manager.
Oh, okay. You did say that like 3 times.
It's all good.
All right, so create ad, right?
Yep. And then you go down where it says lead generation.
Lead gen. This is exciting.
And you just call this
lead gen Twitter?
Twitter lead gen. Put the date too.
Oh, okay. Okay, how come I can't type today? I ain't hardly do any work today. I only had 5 kids. Today was
slow. I'm sure it was a slow day all around.
Yeah, it was a delayed
opening.
Today is the 10th? Yeah.
The 10th, yep.
Okay. Yeah, it was a delayed opening, so some parents decided not to send their kids, which was fine with me.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so what do I do now?
So who did we say we wanted to target? Do you remember?
I definitely think people that like Eric Worre, since they are network marketers.
Yeah, so that's one.
Mm-hmm.
Eric Worre. We can test that. So I'm gonna throw out some other options just in case you
Right.
want to create a similar ad. But we'll start with Eric Worre.
Okay.
Do you want to target just US and Canada? What's your preference?
US, Canada, what is it, UK?
Okay, we can do all English speaking countries then. So UK, um, what else? UK, New Zealand, Australia. So to put that in location.
Okay, Canada. Who else? New Zealand, you said? Okay. And what was the other one? Australia?
Mm-hmm. And United Kingdom.
Oh, United Kingdom. I knew it was another one.
Yep.
Okay. Let me quiet my phone. Okay.
And now just scroll down.
The English.
Yep. Oh, what age range do you want to select? You want to do 25 to 65 plus? What's your
I usually like to do it between 24 and 25
okay.
and till around people my age.
Okay.
And that would be, where are we? Where are we people's? Well, I'll say Willie's age. We some old cats.
Yeah, that old. That
Okay.
old.
All right. Yeah, I always like to do this range. I feel these people are somewhat serious, more serious than the other ones.
Yeah. All right, so scroll down.
Mm-hmm.
Now it says detailed target. We're just going to type in network marketing pro. Eric Ware was right there, actually, on top.
There he is. Mm-hmm.
And then just scroll down.
Okay.
We can get X out of that. We're not going to select anything else.
Oh, I could X right here, right?
Oh, no, keep select it again.
Okay.
And just click out of the box.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's what you meant.
Yeah. So we're not going to, let me think. We're not going to exclude anybody.
We don't want to exclude people that like MLSP?
No.
Okay.
Because the people that like MLSP could have been in MLSP before, but don't have an active account, or anyone who likes MLSP is not necessarily inside of MLSP.
True that. Okay.
So scroll down. We're going to edit placements. Click out of Instagram, deselect it, I mean.
Mm-hmm.
And then where it says Facebook and there's an arrow on the left, click that arrow. All right, so we're good there. You can close that.
Oh, because it's in the feeds. Okay.
Yep. We're gonna scroll down,
Mm-hmm.
and we're gonna spend $5 a day.
Okay.
That's where I used to start, like to start.
Yeah, that's a good
And we're running for 5 days.
Okay, see how that works.
Yeah, to the 15th or so of February.
All right. That's how they get.
Yeah.
You know, if you don't really look closely,
Mm-hmm.
you think it is 5 days. It's a whole month.
Yeah, and I put it to 11:59 p.m. so it goes through the 15th, the whole day.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. 11:11. Okay.
I'm gonna scroll down.
Okay.
Optimize for leads, leave that the same. Automatic, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
That's all good. You can say name this ad set Network Marketing Pro Eric Worre.
Okay.
And then continue.
Oh, okay. So we don't, okay, so this is the part that confuses me when I do it by myself.
Yep.
When it says your audience selection is fairly broad, shouldn't we be trying to target it more? Or this
Um,
is targeted? That's the part that confuses me about doing ads.
yeah, scroll down in
Mm-hmm.
that section there. So you're talking about 360,000 people. I
Right.
think that's fairly broad.
Right.
If you had or that's good, right? If you had an audience of 15, well, I think you had an audience larger than that, like it was 1 million people, 15 million people. That's really large. Like I would keep anything under, you know,
500.
between 500,000 and less. That's what I would go with. Now,
Oh,
if you want to get really, really, really specific, and have some really detailed criteria with your audience, that's totally fine. But I think with what we're doing here, we don't need to get that specific.
okay.
It'd be one thing if you're doing like if you want to target people who ran Facebook ads, right? You would actually go in and let's say you want to network marketers who have at least spent money on paid advertising,
Mm-hmm.
right? So you would go in and select Network Marketing Pro or multi-level marketing or something like that, and then you would narrow it down to people who've actually have a Facebook ads account, people who have paid Facebook for advertising, and that would shrink the audience down even smaller.
I see.
So for now, I would keep it very, very, very broad in the sense of less than 500,000.
Okay. And then
Yeah.
this would be about 200 to 650 people on Facebook.
A day, yeah, would see it.
All right. Well, that's a good number.
Yep,
Okay. So continue.
yep.
Okay.
And so you want to select a single image, and you want to go ahead and upload your image that you want to use,
All right. So, browse library.
or
No.
add more images.
Oh, add money. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, here they are. Okay. Let me see. Which one? Let me try that one. Oh, what happened? Oh, okay. So I should put up like a couple to choose from, or
They're all kind of. Let me scroll down. Let's see what they look like.
no? I only did one.
Okay.
Only put up one.
Yeah, pick the one you liked, or like rather. X out of this one that says Willie and Daria. There's an X. Yeah.
Okay.
Scroll down.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you can see it here. Duh.
Yeah.
Oh, but then his face is
You
cut off.
can crop it where it says crop image in the middle. Click that.
Uh-huh.
But the thing about it though is
But then you can't really.
yeah. Can you go into Canva real quick
Yeah.
and you can edit the image in Canva a little bit?
Well, I got other ones. Let me do.
Yeah, see if they're within the Facebook ad dimensions.
Okay.
So
Oh,
that's what
yeah.
you want to do. Yeah.
Oh.
You might have to go into Canva and just redesign them a bit.
All right. So let me do another one. Just
Maybe that fourth one there.
this one, or
The fourth one.
right here.
Nope. Left. That one. Nope.
Oh,
Right. Not that. Next one. Next one.
what? I can't
That
count.
one. Yep.
Oh, you did say four. Duh. Lord have mercy.
Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, X the first picture out in the image there.
Yeah, that's a little better.
Yeah, and you can actually go into where it's when you put on the image, crop image. Still the same, so
Yeah.
but it's a little better.
Yeah, it's a little better.
So here's what we can do. We can leave it like this, and then you can actually go ahead and change the image later or
Okay.
add another one. When you can go into Canva and resize this a bit so it fits the Facebook ad dimensions.
Okay.
Okay, so hit done.
All right. So I'll do that. I can do that.
Yeah.
No big deal.
All right. So do you have the text with you for your the copy?
Yeah, it's in my pocket. No,
Awesome.
I'm just kidding.
In your pocket. Take it out of your pocket. Let's put it on screen now.
There it is.
Okay.
I didn't tell you I had jokes sometime.
Yeah.
So this is what I came up with. Are you on Twitter, struggling to get followers? Did you know that Trump gets over 10K new followers daily? How would you like to get followers like that? Some pretty darn impressive numbers, right? It's possible when you follow this simple two-step proven strategy. The sky is the limit. It depends on how well you implement this proven strategy. Did we mention that it is completely automated, and you can target your most profitable keywords and prospects? And then
Cool. All right.
so I know it probably needs some work, but that's what I came up with. And then as I was reading it, I said, wow, I don't want them to think that they're going to get 10K followers, because they may not. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I was wondering if it sounded a little misleading.
It's fine. Let's keep that up. Can you move that to the right a little bit? The notepad.
Move it to the right.
Yeah, and then let's go to the headline. Click the headline.
Yeah, it's gonna go anyway.
Yep. Type, let's say, Trump.
Oh, so the Trump thing was good.
It was enticing.
Yeah.
It made me want to look and see what it's about. So Trump gets 10K Twitter followers per day. So can you.
Actually, it says he gets more. So I'm gonna put 10K plus.
Yeah.
Because he gets more. I think it's like 100K. I was looking at it, but I didn't
Yeah.
want to, because I felt that was just too big.
Yeah.
You know. Like that?
Let's see. Hang on one second. Let Facebook show a preview. Trump gets 10K Twitter followers per day, comma, so can you.
Oh, okay. It looks nice right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks nice. And then
Cool. Okay, so that's
so finally
so after followers, just put a slash and then day.
after followers, put a slash.
And then remove per day. Remove per and keep day. See if that. I'm trying to get it all in one line, if possible.
Right.
And move. You can move delete the space between followers in the slash and day in the slash.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks funny. Yeah, my connection must be really bad. It's slow.
All right, let's change that then. So Trump gets 10K Twitter followers. You can too.
Don't put per day?
Yeah, don't put per day. It looks weird. Let's say so can you, or you too. You can too.
Dot. Or no?
If it shows.
Sometime today, please.
Yeah.
It's slow. Oh my gosh.
All right. So if you,
That looks cool.
yeah, let's go into the text now, the text box.
Mm-hmm.
And then let's actually go to the notepad,
Mm-hmm.
and you can move that over a bit.
Yeah, so
All right.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna make that Trump thing in the first part of the ad here. So it can be something like, so did you know that Trump gets over 10K plus new followers per day on Twitter?
Okay.
Or here we go. You're gonna say attention network marketer in all caps.
All right. Can you move out the way? Why are you not moving?
Who, me?
No.
Oh. I don't say just minimize my face.
No, I'm talking about this thing so I can, oh, okay.
Oh, in the text file, in the text document.
Hmm?
In the text document that you just had up,
Mm-hmm.
just write it in there.
Oh, right in here?
Mm-hmm. So,
You're not going to just copy and paste it?
Yep. So we're going to say attention network marketers.
Mm-hmm.
Exclamation point. Next line is going to be, did you know that Trump gets over...
Take that out?
Yep.
Okay.
That Trump gets over 100K plus new followers on Twitter each day.
Now, the other part, I put 10 followers, 10K. So maybe I should keep it consistent.
Oh, yeah. Did I say 100 or 10?
Yeah, 10. You
Yeah,
said
but 10K.
but
10K, yeah.
Okay.
10K plus new followers each day on Twitter.
Mm-hmm.
Imagine Trump gets 10K new followers each day on Twitter. Imagine for a second that each day your Twitter audience grew
No. What happened?
by a fraction of Trump's Twitter follower count. How would that change your business? Would you generate more leads? Question mark. Would you make more sales?
Did you get more sales?
Would you get more sales? Maybe even sponsor 2 to 3 new reps this month? And no longer have to go, reps this month, and no longer have to host A home party with complete strangers. It's possible.
Mm-hmm.
And I figured out exactly how to do it using this simple two-step proven method. Click.
So get rid of all of this.
We can keep that for now. But after proven method, click learn more to get instant access to, what does it say there at the bottom? To a free 60-minute
Tutorial.
Twitter tutorial.
Okay, let's put this on.
Click learn more to get instant access to a free.
Should I mention about the automation?
Let's see. How I change it to more sounds. Maybe so I should do this month. Did you know that Trump gets over 10K new followers each day on Twitter? Imagine for a second that each day your Twitter audience grew by a fraction of Trump's. By Trump's Twitter followers. How will that change it?
Fraction. Wait, the fraction
of Trump's Twitter following.
Following, yes.
Yeah. How would that change your business? Generate more leads or generate more sales? Maybe even sponsor 2-3 reps this month and no longer have to host a home party with complete strangers or attend another hotel or strangers or attend another or drag your friends and family to another hotel meeting. It's possible, and we figured out how to do it with this simple 2-step proven method. And guess what? So after method, and guess what? It can be completely automated. Click learn more below to get instant access to this free 60-minute Twitter tutorial. Cool, that's it.
Boom. Done. Stick a fork in it. Wow.
All right.
That's amazing.
So just copy that. Let's read it again, hon.
Okay. Attention network marketers, did you know that Trump gets over 10K new followers each day on Twitter? Imagine for a second that each day your Twitter audience grew by a fraction.
Yeah.
By a fraction of Trump's Twitter following account. How would that change your business? Would you generate more leads? Would you get more sales? Maybe even 2 to 3 more reps this month, and no longer have to host another party with complete strangers or drag your friends and family to another hotel meeting. Is it possible? We figured out, and it's possible, and we figured out how to do it with this simple 2-step proven method. And guess what? It can be completely automated. Click, oh, click, no, I was supposed to say click below, right?
Click learn more.
Oh, click learn more?
Click learn more below.
Yeah, that's why I said click below to learn more.
No, the button is going to be say learn more. So click learn more.
Oh,
Yeah.
then I need to put,
Yeah. Quotations or something like that.
okay. It just wasn't reading right to me. All right, click learn more below to get instant access to this free 61-minute Twitter tutorial.
Yeah, the one thing I'll just change here is where it says Trump's Twitter following account, just give it a following and just say Trump's Twitter account.
Let's see, can I move it up? Yeah, okay.
All right, so I just copy this.
And I should put some spaces in between, right?
Well, do it in the when you get to the ad itself, because it's going to format it a little differently, probably.
Than what I want.
Yeah, so just the copy and
All right.
edit it there.
Okay. Okay. Oh, actually, it formatted pretty much the way I wanted it.
Just wait till it shows up on the right-hand side.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
In the meantime, if you can open up the Twitter capture page, the one that actually where the capture page with the copy on it.
Okay.
I'm just gonna grab some of that text there from there.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. Where is it? Okay, what's going on now? Why are you acting up? Okay, let me move us up. Okay, where did I put it? On the second page. No, I didn't mean to do that. What did I do? Close editor?
Yeah, and just go to. Oh, it's not active yet, is it? No, it's not.
No, I didn't.
Okay, no worries.
So I should be able to go to edit. Why is it doing that? All right, did I do something? Where the heck is it? Is that the right one? Yeah, that has to. Oh, no. Yeah, this has to be it.
Hit preview.
Right. What is all this stuff? Okay, what happened to this is cray cray. What happened to it? Oh my God.
Sure, it's this one.
Huh?
You sure it's this one?
I'm trying to figure
Actually, go to where it says page.
Mm-hmm.
Click the drop down. There's nothing there.
What in the ham sandwich? Because I did I did all those. That's cray right about now. What the heck happened to it?
Well, we don't actually, but the thing about this one is we don't really need it, I guess, for this particular ad. Actually, we do. Is it running? Is it paused? Scroll up. Did you publish it? What about Twitter training? What's
maybe
that?
That's it.
Preview.
That's it. I'm like, I know I did this. Yeah, this is it. So this is the first one.
This is
this is the where I would capture their name.
Okay. If you can go to the system campaign for this Twitter training.
Oh, that's what you wanted?
Yeah.
Oh, duh. I'm not understanding very well these days.
I probably didn't say it, but just go to MLSP Funnelizer. That tab there.
Mm-hmm.
Scroll up.
Mm-hmm.
Go to system campaigns.
Mm-hmm.
And then just open the capture page.
Yeah, this is basically where I worked from.
Yeah. Copy where it says who else wants, and then all the way to prospects at the bottom, or the second section there. Copy that.
Okay, all of this?
Yep, just copy.
Mm-hmm.
Now go back to the Facebook, the ad itself.
Okay, let me see now. Let's get rid of this. Move you guys out of the way. Okay. Mm-hmm.
And then scroll down. Actually, before we do that, let's where you have audience in your text here, connect it with the next line. Scroll up. Yeah, so where it says audience, imagine for a second that each day your Twitter audience, make that connected, those two lines there.
Like that?
Yeah, can you go even closer can you move it up? Like go to the beginning of audience.
The beginning of audience? Uh-huh.
And hit backspace or delete.
Yeah, nothing's happening.
Okay, cool.
Oh,
Type in Twitter.
Oh, no. That's not what I wanted to do, right?
Nope, put in just ER space. Cool, scroll down.
Mm-hmm.
Where it says strangers, complete, make that connected to and no longer have to host.
Mm-hmm.
Same thing with strangers.
Oh, snap. I didn't even realize that did that like that.
Move up maybe, even sponsor 2 to 3 reps this month. Move that up a space. And where it says and no longer, make that a part of maybe too. So maybe even sponsor 2 to 3 reps this month, and no longer have to host a home party. Okay. There's a space, delete the space between hotel meeting and it's possible. And make it's possible by itself. Exclamation point. And then we figured out how to do this simple, we figured out how to do it with this simple Okay, that's it. Now scroll down
To the call to action.
Where it says call to action, learn more. And where it says newsfeed link description, you're going to paste what we just copied. And we're going to say, scroll up in this box here.
Okay, scroll up. Mm-hmm.
So say get 4 million people seeing your tweets each month.
Mm-hmm.
And then where it says question mark, delete the question mark.
Mm-hmm. After month, you mean?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. You said leave it?
Delete it.
Delete it. Delete it.
Uh-huh. Using this simple two-step proven process.
Okay, what happened here? Uh-oh. What happened? Oh, okay.
Yep, and just delete everything else after process.
And where does this show up at?
It should be right under where it says Trump gets 2,000
Oh,
plus.
okay.
Yeah. So scroll down now.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're going to create a new form for your ad.
Okay.
So a new form.
Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness, what is all this?
And so now you can create a welcome screen that basically says, go back to, let me see, where it says paragraph,
Yes.
paste what you just copied before in there. And what does go back to your funnel, that tab there, what does it say there? Copy two-step proven process to grow your Twitter audience. Copy that. And make that go back to, yep, make that where it says headline. Paste that in there. And change it to two-step proven process. Two-step proven process to grow.
To grow.
Yeah, to grow your Twitter audience.
Okay. To grow your Twitter audience. All right, let me move this over so we can see what that looks like. Okay.
Scroll down. We're going to change that to
You mean this here?
yeah, I'm trying to think what to say there.
It seemed like it needs to be in more, or this is just.
No, yes, it'll fix itself when it shows up. Scroll up a bit in this box here, in the layout box. So in the beginning, just say in this tutorial.
Say above that.
Yeah, in this, yep, right there. You're going to learn how to grow your Twitter audience and get 4 million people seeing your tweets each month. Just delete the who else wants to and just bring that up.
Now make that a little close. Gee. Okay.
And then you can bring this simple two-step process right after month.
And take the parentheses out, right?
You
You leave it?
can leave it.
Just bring it up higher.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fine. It probably will show differently. Button, learn, button text and just say click here.
Right here, the button?
Say click here. For instant access. And now go to questions.
And then add custom question, right?
Do you want a custom question? Or do you want just their name and email and phone number? What do you want? Do you want to ask them questions? Your call.
Oh, I thought this was the one where we would be asking questions.
Yep, you can. Yep. So where it says show more options, I'll put in their phone number.
So I put first name, last name. Phone,
Just full name.
Oh, full name is
And
already.
this phone number.
Okay, where's phone number? I see work phone number.
Where it's right up, it's in this first, further up, where it says phone, first name, last name, phone number.
Oh. Okay.
And then what kind of questions do you want to ask them? You know, I typically ask, you know, are you currently building a business online?
That's a good one.
Yep. And then answers, yes, enter, no, looking for one.
Love it.
Add another question. Question I ask is how are you doing with generating leads online?
Okay. Oh, pretty much same questions.
Yeah. Struggling 0 leads per day. Enter awesome 3 to 5 leads per day. And you can say amazing 5+ leads per day.
Okay. I like that.
And then next question, how much have you budgeted for
investment?
How much have you budgeted for marketing and coaching?
Nothing.
Nope. 150 to 250. Oh, sorry. Just do let me see, 150. Just do 150 - 250 per month.
Mm-hmm.
250 to I don't know,
500.
500, sure. And then 500 plus per month.
Ah, no.
It happened.
Okay. What did I say? 250?
To 500 a month.
And then 500
Plus
plus.
per month.
Bam. Okay.
And then so privacy policy.
I know I had put it on my old blog somewhere. I don't
Yeah,
have.
just click on the button there.
Uh-huh.
Do you have a link for it or no?
I remember when you told us about it, I put the link somewhere. I just don't remember.
All right, let's just. What's your website? Type it in there. Type your website in the URL
Okay.
where it says in the ad. Yeah, where it says link URL. Type your website, and at the end just put privacy. We're gonna assume that that's where it is.
Be nice if I know how to spell. Okay, there you go.
On the thank you screen, click on that one.
So I don't need to put text up here?
No.
Oh, okay. Thank you, screen. Mm-hmm.
So this is where they're going to be directed to once they've opted in. And so what you need to do is grab the link for the second page of your funnel.
Right.
The video of you.
Okay, so
Close preview.
you see him over here trying to figure this out.
And then just scroll down to
Yeah, to it.
it's number 2. You have to go to the second page.
And
Scroll up.
it was what was it?
Scroll up. It's in the Twitter training at the top.
Oh, you know what? That you know better than me.
Go to edit.
Yeah, edit, right? Okay, let me move this over here.
And then for
Let's see, which one did I actually use? I think it was this one. Because I was trying to figure this thing out. Okay, edit page. I just want to make sure that's the right one.
Yep.
Before I grab the link. Yes, that is it.
Cool.
Okay, why can't I move? Why can't I scroll up and down?
Publish the changes. You made changes to this before.
Yes.
Publish.
Mm-hmm.
And then you should be able to X out of this.
Okay, I don't understand why it's not moving. I just want to make sure that I did what I was supposed to do with it. I put auto start video. I guess I can preview the video real quick just to make sure. Okay, yeah, that's it. All right. All right, so what do you want me to do?
Close editor.
Mm-hmm. And then grab the link.
Yep.
Get URL. Marvelously marvelous. And is there a way to check this to just make sure that it's going the way it's supposed to go?
You can opt to it into it, yeah.
Oh.
And scroll up. Mm-hmm. Save and finish rather, not save. Finish. So now scroll down.
Okay.
So now you have to actually publish your funnel.
Right.
So when you are,
Yeah.
huh?
I want to check it and make sure.
Yep. So you can save this ad
Mm-hmm.
and then come back to it when you're ready to place the order.
Okay. So where do I thought I saved it. No?
Um, Actually do this. Scroll down,
Mm-hmm.
place the order,
Mm-hmm.
and then go back to the ads manager.
All right. Where's the, over here. Uh-huh.
Yep. Go to ads manager. And then hit,
No,
which one is it?
I think, no.
Scroll down.
No, that's right. It's not there yet.
All right. It's not there yet.
No.
You just, when it goes live, you just want to pause it.
Okay.
Yep. So it should show up in a little bit. If you refresh it.
Okay. Okay, here it is.
Yeah. So just pause that.
Well, it's pending review.
Yep. So just pause it still.
Oh, I can?
Yep.
Oh. Oh.
And that's it.
And then when I'm ready,
You turn it back on.
I just turn it on.
Now the other thing you can do, so now that you have it set up, if you click on where it says Twitter lead generation, the link, that's the campaign. Click on it. Now it's going to the ad set. So from here, if you scroll down,
Mm-hmm.
if you select the checkbox on the left-hand side,
Right here.
yep,
Uh-huh.
the checkbox.
Oh, right here.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh.
Now you can create similar ads. So if you create a similar ad, you
Mm-hmm.
can now target different audiences. So you could test, targeting, Danny Johnson. You could target different companies. So if you click the checkbox and then click on where it says create similar ad set,
Mm-hmm.
what you're going to do here is where it says Network Marketing Pro Eric Worre copy.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to hit edit and just change the interest of who you want to target, the audience.
Right here.
So you would change it to, Danny Johnson or Arbonne or It Works or, Empower Network, whatever it is. You would use this to create additional ad sets with different criteria.
Right. And then it still would test with the same money. They wouldn't ask you for more money, right?
Well, so you would set it would be $5 for the same period of time. So instead of just $5 for one per day, you'd be spending $10 per day.
Oh, okay.
Okay. This allows you to target different audiences and see how they respond.
Okay.
But we can just start with Network Marketing Pro and see how that goes for the next couple of days
Mm-hmm.
and go from there. Okay.
Okay. So they changed it because before they didn't charge you, right?
What do you mean?
They didn't charge you extra. I don't remember. I remember when you did something like this and you maybe test the age or you changed.
Oh, that was in the same ad set.
Oh, so this is a different ad set.
So we're creating another ad, right? So yeah, we're creating another ad set, and we're just using the same ad image, and so you don't have to actually go in there and create a new ad using the same ad. You're just copying the ad and then changing the interest or the audience. So for this one, I can target, MLSP, for instance. Not that I would do that, but I could target MLSP, and now I have two ad sets running for Network Marketing Pro and MLSP, so I can see which one performs better.
Okay.
Okay.
I got you.
Awesome.
All right. So all I have to do is I come out of here.
Publish the funnel.
Mm-hmm.
And then turn this on.
And then turn this on. That's it. Okay.
Yep.
And also go into Canva and
if you want to edit the image so that it fits inside of the ad nicely.
Right. And that's it. Yay.
Yeah. So pixel. Let's look at the pixel.
Oh, I did see it somewhere.
You go to the ads manager where it says ads manager up there.
Okay.
Click on pixels. Now, do you have it on your blog?
Yes, I put it on the blog.
So you just don't have it on your funnel.
Right. See, I got some pixel fires.
Got it. So let's do this. Where it says actions,
Where is this?
the drop down to the left,
Oh, okay.
right there. View pixel code. Scroll down. You're gonna copy this code. Copy this code.
Right here.
Yep. Copy.
Mm-hmm.
Nope. You gotta hit it where it says copy. Nope. Go back. It says copy to clipboard. Yep.
Oh, okay.
Cool. Now go to your funnel. And we're going to put this code on the opt-in page. So where it says page properties, click on page properties. And it's going to say head tag tracking code, edit code. It's already there.
Oh, I did.
You have it there already. Okay, cool.
Oh, you probably told me to do it and I forgot I did. Or maybe
okay.
A while ago.
And let's look at the, so look at the thank you video. Can you go to that page?
One sec. You know what? I probably did this a while ago. Let me just make sure. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, just want to make sure.
Okay.
It looks like a different code.
All right.
I had an old my other page was banned, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
So hit save changes and publish.
Changes. Okay. Mm-hmm.
And then close the editor. And now go to the video page. And go to page properties.
Okay. Page properties.
And head tag tracking code.
I'll do it again.
It's going to be a little bit different. So now go back to the ads manager. Actually, before you do that, paste the code in here real quick. Paste the code in there.
Mm-hmm.
Now go to ads manager.
Mm-hmm.
Scroll where it says install event code. Click on that. Scroll down. Where it says click on lead.
Lead. Oh. And copy that. Copy that code.
Yep. 1 second. Okay, yep. Go to your
here.
Yep, edit head tracking.
And put it underneath?
Nope. Scroll up, click on the right there, stop. Where it says page view.
Page view.
You see that?
Oh, right here.
Yep.
Duh.
Click after the semicolon. Press enter.
And put the code in there.
Yeah, press enter.
Oh.
And then paste the code.
Okay.
And scroll up.
Okay, so that's the code.
Cool. So hit close.
Hit close.
Close, yep.
Okay. Oh, wow. I ain't know nothing about that.
Yeah, because Facebook wants, you want to track when they actually go from one page to the next. And so just having the regular pixel code will just tell Facebook that someone visited the page. So you won't know if they became a lead or not. And so when they go from one page to the next, then you know that they became a lead.
Okay, so when they become a lead, I get a notification from Facebook?
No. Well, yes and no. Depending on, so with the ad we just set up, you're not going to get, they're not being triggered because it's a lead generation form. So you're getting the lead on Facebook.
Mm-hmm.
But if you had a different type of ad, like website conversions ad,
Mm-hmm.
Facebook will let you know how much you're spending per conversion. So every time someone clicks the page, you're spending money. And so Facebook's going to track, okay, you spent $10 altogether, but you generated 5 leads. So that means you're spending about $2 per lead.
Mm-hmm.
So Facebook will give you that kind of data.
Mm. Okay.
All righty.
Okay. All right.
Awesome. So that's it.
Wow, this is exciting. Woohoo!
So the next step is, get the funnel running.
Yes.
Turn on the ad, let it run for 5 days. And then, do you know how to find your leads on
Nope.
Facebook?
Nope.
No.
That was going to be my next question.
All right, go to the ads manager. You can close this all out, this page here, close. Go to where it said, go to Facebook, the icon on the left-hand side. Left side, left,
Yeah,
your
I'm
left.
just moving this out of the way.
Oh,
Right.
yeah. Click on your fan page that you're running the ad from.
Oh, sorry. That's not it. Where is it? I thought it would be right here. Okay. Where is the, oh, there it is. Mm-hmm.
Go to publishing tools.
Oh, I never clicked on that.
Click on where it says forms library.
Forms like, oh.
Let's go down. Mm-hmm.
Ah.
So this is where your leads will be.
Okay.
If you click on preview,
Mm-hmm.
this is what your ad would look like. So click for instant access to test it. Now you can select the option that this is a test. So put your name, your name's already in there actually. So answer the questions as you see fit.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna put no. Struggling. Oh, okay.
Now usually
Mm-hmm.
Facebook will pull your email from Facebook and put it in there, whatever you put in Facebook.
Oh, but since
You probably don't have your email attached to it, I guess. I don't know why I didn't pull your email address. Maybe it's private. But your phone number came up though.
and that's not my phone number, so I don't know what phone number that is.
Okay. So hit submit and view website. It's probably not going to go there. It's going to say a 401 error probably.
Yeah. Oh no. I
Yeah.
think this is hilarious.
Okay.
Yes. Oh no, take me home.
Yeah.
That is so funny. Okay.
So and then you'll see here.
So I'll go back in and test it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Cool.
Cool.
I should tell Willie to do it. Wow, this is so cool. Oh my God. Oh man, I would have been lost if I would have tried to do this by myself.
Yeah. So now you have a video that you can reference and go back to and then turn around and teach.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I sure can.
So if you go back to that form now, it should show up. Your information should be in there now.
The form?
You go back to your Facebook fan page.
Oh, okay. All right, let me go back. But even though I didn't go, it's still going to
Capture information.
Okay.
Do you see where it says download?
Oh, because I'm looking for it to be right.
Nope, it'll be in the. So the only thing about this is you have to download the leads and upload them.
Oh, okay. So one new lead since.
So if you click on the download new lead, it'll come out in a CSV file.
Okay.
And you're good to go.
Oh, okay. Okay. And then I can call them or whatever I'm going
Yeah,
to do.
you definitely want to call them. There's a number there. Call them.
Okay. All right. Cool. You know what? I ran a solo ad, right? And then I noticed that in the email it said, I know this is totally off topic, but I noticed that the tracking said affiliate sign up. So I was confused by that because they must have just clicked on the MLSP video and watched it, but didn't take action.
You mean inside of they sign up as an affiliate?
Yeah, it just says the lead came in with the name, email. One of them looked like it had a legitimate phone number, but I called, left a message, they didn't get back to me or whatever. I sent them an email. And then one came in today. It said the tracking said affiliate sign up. But it didn't come in as a sign up. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It came in as a lead.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Weird. I never seen that before.
Yeah.
But it's obvious that they didn't take any further action. They probably saw the video. That's what I'm thinking. But then they didn't take any action. Yeah, I don't know.
Call them, email them.
Yeah.
What you do?
Yeah.
Follow up.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it when I get back. Yeah.
Awesome. So I will upload this and get this to you, but get the funnel completed, let the ad run, and then as leads come in, call them, reach out to them.
Yes, for sure.
Alrighty.
And by me actually calling them or texting them or whatever. But
yep.
Yeah, we'll definitely reach out to them. This is exciting. Yay!
Awesome. Fun stuff.
Yeah, thank you so much. I'm looking forward to giving you my testimony.
I appreciate it.
Yes. Very much appreciated. And
awesome.
Deserving. Very much so. Step by step.
Cool beans.
Yep. You got some more appointments?
Do I? 6:30 and I think 7:30.
That's awesome.
So I'm going to go ahead and grab a quick bite to eat.
Yeah, you got 15 minutes.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'll talk to you soon.
Yes. So just let me know when, send me something so we can make the next appointment.
Yep. Just use the same link.
Oh.
In your email.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. All right.
All right.
Talk to you.
All right. Talk soon. No problem.
All right.
Bye-bye.